All right, guys, sorry about that. We had a little issue with our recording device, so we're gonna attach this to the video if we can, or if we have to, you'll just have two videos over this. Okay, so here we go. Here's our last problem on that. Again, we have fractions here, and remember I said you could list out the multiples, or the other thing is that you could just multiply all the denominators together in order to do that. And sometimes that's just easier, to be honest. Sometimes it's just flat easier. So that's what we're going to do on this one, just so that you get to see both sides of this. All right. So we're just going to multiply these together and go from there. All right. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. Yeah, 60. Okay. So our common denominator is 60. All right, so this is the number that we're going to use in order to clear out our fraction. So that's how we're going to go about doing this. Again, we're just going to multiply both sides by that common denominator in order to clear out that fraction. Okay, so here it's going to get multiplied by 60, and here is going to get multiplied by 60. And again, we're just using our distributive property and distributing it all the way through. So it kind of looks like this: 60 times 1/4. And here, I'm going to actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up so you can really kind of see what's going on. 1/4 times x, right? Because this times this is what's going on here, okay? Plus 2/3 times 60 equals 60 times -2/5 x. Again, I just split that up so that you get a really good look at what's going on here. Okay, and I'm going to do click right there, plus 60 times -4/5. All right, so now we can start cross canceling and clearing this out. Right, over 1, and we cross cancel. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 gets me 15, and 15 times 1 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. So I got 15 over 1 times x, which is just 15x. Okay, that's how that's working right there. Plus, again, over 1, we're going to cross cancel, because, I mean, guys, these are all the reasons that I went back and showed you how to do all those fractions, how to do cross canceling, so that we can use things like this. Okay, so here we're going to cross cancel. 3 and 60, divide by 3, divide by 3, this becomes 1, this should be 20, now multiply straight across, 2 times 20, 40, 1 times 1 is 1, so 40 over 1 is 40. The whole point of this is to get rid of that fraction. Equals, and then again, over 1, now cross cancel, this and this, this becomes 1, again we're dividing by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, this becomes 1. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 4. Yeah, 12. So this becomes 12, okay? And 12 times -2 is -24 times x, okay? Plus, and now we know what we're doing here because we just did that. Becomes 1, becomes 12. And 12 times 4 should be 48, -48. And now I'm into my equation, and I can just solve right here. Make sure I have that right. 4 times 48, -48. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm good. All right, so plus 24x plus 24x. These cancel out. Okay, then I have 39x plus 40 equals -48. Okay, add the inverse. Okay, these cancel out, and I got 39x equals -88. Divide by 39. Divide by 39. These cancel out. X equals, I do not believe that reduces. Cause I don't think 3 goes into 88. So if you're in my 8th grade class, what you get to do is just plug this into this thing and check, and it'll see if it reduces for you. If you're in my 7th grade class, you gotta do it by hand and check. And all I would do is, because 3 is the only number that divides evenly into 39, I would check to see if this can divide by 3. So I'm just gonna plug it in here and check just to make sure. Yeah, I didn't think so. So we got negative 88 over 39, and here we go, and we're good to go. All right. It looks so much worse than what it really is, because really, once you get used to this, you're not going to even put this 1 underneath this. You're going to look at it and go, well, these 2 cross cancel, and that leaves me with 15. That gives me 15x. Okay. And then over here, you're going to do the same thing and go, oh, well, I got 20, and then I got 20 times whatever's left up here, and I've got 40. And then, honestly, that's really the whole point, is to be able to do that. So going through this, the more you practice this, the better you're going to get at it. And you're going to get to the point where you're not going to worry about the fractions being there, because you're going to be so good at clearing them out that it's not even going to bother you to have them in the problem. Okay? If you have any questions, concerns, let me know.